Today we talk about how can you find trips on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your trips on your app. So all you have to do, in first you just go down, you click here on trips down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find your trips here, your current trips. Then here just click here on pass. So then here you will find traps or trap strip here, and here can you find your cancelled trips in this list here. Like you see here, I have no trips yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do to find your trips. That's all. I wish you a great. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.